Welcome to Redline Review. According to information received, the Bavarian automaker has not yet introduced a motorhome camper model for 2026. Concept sketches or renderings of futuristic cars and photos are created by AI. On the internet, these designs are often called BMW XC Camper or BMW Motorhome. The following are unofficial and conceptual details about these claimed designs. Electric vehicles should only be used for short distances because they have a total range of 600 miles and an electric range of 40 miles. Use hybrid drivetrains like a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor generating 375 horsepower. Create luxurious camper interiors with foldable beds, solar panels, auxiliary batteries, leather chairs, induction cooktops, and small restrooms. 2 persons can fit, and a tent can be pitched on the rooftop. Rates vary from $90,000 to $180,000 based on specifications and measures. Some things are authentic, others are irrelevant. Status report. Not publicly disclosed, BMW has not announced its camper and motorhome entry plans. AI created photos. There are several videos or photos online that were generated using concept art or AI. Despite their audacious designs, these materials are non-touchable. Details on the hybrid. The figures of 375 horsepower, 40 miles for electric vehicles, and 600 miles are based on hearsay rather than official press pronouncements. Considering the idea's popularity, design-loving Reddit members are captivated. It's BMW. The concept of real models has garnered attention and discussion, including memes. Without a doubt, why is it possible? Seeing that the Neue Klasse electric car technology advances and 2026 manufacturing ramp-ups show that BMW is extending its electric vehicle line and production. BMW would need to form new partnerships, create new production processes, and make significant strategic changes to enter the motorhome industry, none of which have been acknowledged. The present obsession with BMW motorhomes stems from amusing hypotheses, computer-generated images, and hopeful imaginations. Nothing is real about this concern. There are still rumors that BMW will launch a luxury hybrid electric camper in 2026. Beginning in 2025, these rumors circulate. This would advance the automotive industry. Look for auto shows or boutique coach builders if you like high-end concept campers. Some may use BMW chassis to build unique trailers. What do you think of a 2026 BMW motorhome made in a business environment? Wishful thinking at the moment.